The old hymn says, there's just one way to the pearly gates. Got a minute? Just one way is all the Bible gives, not 2, 3, or 5,000. One. Men, women, boys, and girls often appeal to more than one, but not Jesus. He prayed for unity of believers, John 17 through 21, and consistently calls us to speak the same things. His words, not ours. A well-known defense strategy, divide the enemy, and our enemy has done a good job of it. Now, when people of God are needed to stand against evil, we're so divided, a fighting force can't be put together. Why? Many want it their way and not God's way. He said, endeavor to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace, Ephesians 4 and verse 3. God said there is one body and one Spirit, even as you are called in one hope of your calling. One Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all, who's above all and through all and in you all. Isn't it time to get back to the Bible? There's just one way to the pearly gate. Thank you for listening to One Gospel Minute. Stay in touch with our podcast on our website and on Apple, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever fine podcasts are distributed. Tennessee Bible College, providing Christian education since 1975 in Cookeville, Tennessee, offers undergraduate and graduate programs. Study at your level. Aim higher. Get in touch with us today.
Don't you want to go to heaven when you die?